This is Dave Rexroth with the forecast here. It looks like it's going to be a little chilly this evening. Temperatures in the 60s, winds up a bit. That calms down overnight, but that just allows us to get cooler as the clouds clear out a little bit. So 49 in Detroit, some mid-40s on the north and west side of town. By the time we get to Wednesday morning, that certainly put a little chill as you go along through the early morning hours here. Here are the lows: 47 in Warren, 46 in Port Huron. Lapeer could be down around 42, 46 for Ann Arbor, closer to 50 in Dearborn, one of the few spots that may hang on to that 50-degree mark. Then in the afternoon, well, through the day, actually pretty good sunshine. So temperatures a little more mellow in the second half of the day. 72 in Detroit, Dearborn 73, same thing in Pontiac. Port Huron, you could be stuck at 65 with the wind from the north, kind of sort of off the lake there. Bright sunshine, just a few clouds on Wednesday, not much breeze. Here's a look at Thursday, Friday. Saturday does get warmer, but it gets wetter. Increasing chances of rain from Thursday to Friday and from Friday to Saturday, plus Friday and Saturday there could be a little rumble of thunder from time to time. Right now, Sunday does look to be the best part of the weekend, with temperatures still close to 80 at 79 and some dry weather.